Have you tried introducing immune boosting juices to your meal plan? So today we are going to be making carrot juice, which is full of vitamin C, and it's going to be very easy for you to make this juice. This juice is going to be very nutritious because we're going to be using fresh ingredients like carrots, ginger, and oranges. So I'm going to get straight into making this delicious juice, and for the recipe you'll need a juicer. Make sure the carrots, oranges, and ginger are clean before blending. So very carefully, I'm going to get straight into blending everything. Carrots are great for weight loss, balance your blood sugar, and support your immune system. That is a kg of carrots, so I'm going to transfer the juice to another big jug. Look at that vibrant orange color. Then next I'm going to be blending my ginger and oranges. For the oranges, I'm going to be cutting into quarters, peel and place into my juicer. You can also use a lemon squeezer to squeeze out the juice, just like this. Once done, sieve into the jug. So because I've already peeled the rest of the oranges, I'm going to be squeezing out the juice using my juicer. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C and potassium, and also improve digestion because they have fiber, reduce belly fat, that is weight loss, and also support immune system because they have vitamin C. Ginger contains antioxidants which help fight diseases in our body. It helps in weight loss and also reduces bloating, which is very uncomfortable. Once I'm done juicing, I have some orange and ginger juice, so I'm going to combine with the carrot juice. You can catch the ginger aroma. Using a spoon, I'm going to stir in so that you can combine together the carrot, orange, and ginger juice. Taste. Yum. When done juicing, you can add in a little bit of honey for some extra sweetness. I'm going to scoop out my ice cubes, which are melting. It's very hot, and place in my glass. I want my carrot juice to be a little bit chilled. Stir my juice a little bit to make sure it's fully combined and add into my glass. When done making your carrot juice, of course, you can reduce the portion and keep the rest in the fridge for up to a week. So the carrot juice has turned out very perfect. I love the orange color. I've placed a mint leaf just to jazz up the juice. And yeah, I'm ready to give my carrot juice a taste. Wow, you can catch a very strong ginger flavor, and also the carrot and oranges are just mild but very sweet. Yeah, this is a recipe worth trying because the carrot juice is full of nutrients, and it will be very much easy for you to take the immune boosting juice every day if you make a large batch.